The first sign was not an attack, a message, or a discovery. It was a delay. A cargo convoy scheduled to pass through the Altari corridor arrived 12 minutes late. No damage, no deviation in course, just 12 minutes unaccounted for. The crew reported nothing unusual. Sensors logged nothing unusual. It was written off as clerical error. Then another delay occurred. Different region, different species, same result. Minutes missing. Not lost to malfunction or rerouting. Simply absent, as if time itself had been briefly misplaced and then returned. As an archivist, I was assigned the pattern. At first it was statistical noise, then it wasn't. The delays clustered around emerging civilizations, worlds just reaching orbital capability, societies on the edge of expansion, places where first mistakes tend to become fatal ones. Something was intervening, not directly. No fleets appeared, no weapons fired, no laws were enforced. Only timing shifted, a launch postponed, a collision narrowly avoided, a transmission received just late enough to prevent escalation. We searched for a source. We found fingerprints. Human engineering leaves a particular trace, not in materials or signatures, but in logic. Redundancy layered over redundancy. Fail-safes that assume the operator will panic. Systems built to expect misuse. The delays followed that logic. We confronted their delegation. They didn't deny it. They called it temporal buffering. Not time travel, nothing so dramatic, just predictive modeling pushed to its limit. Simulations run millions of times per second, calculating which minor delays would prevent irreversible outcomes. No saving civilizations, no guiding them, just buying them a moment. Why, we asked. The answer was simple, because we didn't get one. Humans showed us their history, not triumphs, near misses, close calls where extinction had been avoided by chance rather than design. Wars that ended minutes before escalation became inevitable. Disasters that failed only because something arrived late or early. They weren't correcting the galaxy. They were compensating for bad luck. The Council objected immediately. Interference at that scale violated deep accords. Civilizations had the right to fail on their own terms. Humans agreed. They never argued ethics. They only asked a question. How many extinctions were truly necessary? No consensus was reached. The buffering continues anyway, quietly, indirectly, always just shy of provable intervention. History still unfolds. Empires rise and fall. Species disappear, just slightly fewer than expected. And now, whenever a disaster almost happens, whenever a catastrophe hesitates for no clear reason, someone checks the archives and notes the same thing: a delay, measured not in hours or days, but in exactly the amount of time it takes to make a different choice.